welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah, and today I have Brookie's Wonderland here with me.
Hi.
So today we're split dyeing her hair purple and green, and we're gonna see how that goes. We're gonna try it out. I go to cosmetology school, so today was the first day that I could actually go to Salon Centric and get my first professional hair dye.
It was a big moment when she told me. I was just like, yes, will you get it?
I did. Right after I walked out of the store, I called my mom. I was like, Mom, guess what I just did? It was awesome. Okay, but let's get started on your hair.
Okay, so originally my hair was purple and teal. The teal is... like in some pictures it looks blue and green, so that's why it looks green now because of the way it's like faded out. But like when you add a bunch of color, it'll look blue, more blue than
This held up
teal.
pretty nice.
It did hold up. I was really proud of this. And
Purple is just gone.
purple, it turned to gray. It turned to gray. I don't know where that went. It just kind of like left the door and it was like, I'm bye.
Yeah, so we're gonna see what we can do today.
Yeah.
So I was getting ready to put hair color on Brooklyn, and then we realized I don't have any gloves.
We're so unprepared for this.
We are professional. Right.
Hashtag professional.
Right? Like, what am I on? No bowl, no gloves. I was not prepared, not thinking, but it's okay.
Lily had a mental breakdown about
You know what we
the
can
whole
do?
thing.
We can tell them about the giveaway. Okay, guys, so this is a giveaway. I'm giving away the Tartelette in Bloom palette. Ooh. Oh, you still have one side on a bun. Okay,
This is a look, guys.
So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what it looks like.
This palette is really pretty. I seen it inside and I was just like, I kind of want that.
It is beautiful. It's, oh,
There goes that.
my bad. It's perfect for like your first palette, just starting off. It's perfect. It has some neutrals and, you know, shimmer. Has 3 shimmers and the rest are mattes. Beautiful. So all you need to do is subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment telling me who you want to give it to for Christmas. And yeah, if you want to give it to yourself, that's fine too. Just say me.
And if you...
You can touch myself right there.
And if you don't celebrate Christmas, then give it to someone that you think would like it. I don't know. I'm weird. I don't do this kind of stuff. I do weird stuff. This is how I am.
Why not? But yeah, all you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment why you want it, who you want to give it to, that sort of thing. And yeah.
Back to your regularly scheduled program. Okay, bye.
Hi guys! Okay, so we're actually using Pulp Riot in Jam. This is what it looks like. And we're also using Absinthe. Okay, well this is the final look. How beautiful. Oh my goodness.
I love this green. I love these combination of colors.
It turned out so good. Oh my gosh, and I did that makeup. Yes, I did. Okay, well, that's it. Make sure you guys... Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to be entered into the giveaway. We are giving away the Tartelette and Bloom palette. So that will be... I will announce the winner in Sunday's video. So that's it, and thank you for being on my channel. Go subscribe, Brookie's Wonderland, and yeah, bye guys.
Bye. I'm really tired. Bye.